There's a place the heart must sometimes go to find the truths it longs to know. With steady breath and steady mind, you dive beneath what's left behind into the silence. Feelings learn to rise. Pressure builds by you. Stay strong, trusting